you would know that I have done the entrance test for gotranscript. This was my second time. A few days later, I got the result with their feedback, and the result was I failed. What a stupid guy I am. Hey, I'm Peter Park, online side hustler. Welcome to my channel. For some of you don't know me, I'm going to briefly tell you my story about this project. You guys probably know online side hustle, and there are many ways talking about how to earn money online, such as e-commerce like drop shipping, drop servicing, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, like selling ebooks. There are a lot. And there are many videos from YouTube as well. However, I don't see many videos proving that they earn money and about income, online side hustle with the method that they share. I know, I understand that's a bit sensitive about income. People normally don't share it in the detail. I got the question myself, so what if someone can share the real experience about online side hustle from zero base? That is where I start. Hopefully you finally know me. In this video, I'm going to cover what you must do if you fail the entrance exam in gotranscript. Basically, this is related to gotranscript, but it will be useful for you to prepare other platforms such as transcribeme or Rev or scribie.com and so on, whatever about the transcription job. So I'm going to talk about gotranscript. I thought myself I could pass the exam because I was full of confidence about transcription job. I tried twice and I failed all of them. Anyway, I failed. After I got the result, I did the practice test in gotranscript, and I realized that I should have done it earlier because I didn't do any practice before taking the test. Yes, difficult. So at this stage, I got a question for you. How would you practice then? Would you practice listening and writing from audio files directly? Of course, yes. Yes, possibly. It will help you, but it will take too long time. The process will be so slow. If I go through this way, I will be so exhausted. I won't be able to finish it. I will give up in the end. I watched one video from YouTube. They introduced the Google Translation so that you can save time. You can use Google Translation from transcription job. I don't know how it works. I honestly don't think so. Google Translation might be working with translation purpose, but for the transcription task, I cannot see the way, so that was funny. As a non-native English speaker, I do use the tools that save my time, such as Audio Download Prime or Otter AI, able to convert audio files into text, which is good. So here I'm going to show you how I practice audio files with these tools. Let's check this out. So I'm in gotranscript. Go for apply. Login.
This audio is used for
so this page is for test job for transcriber. So once you finish the test, you can send it for review. Here is the part, but what I'm saying here is all the tests here. So we click on this, and there are few audio files. So for example, you click here.
I want to start off by saying that I know I have an accent.
So this is the old test, and you can practice. But what I'm saying is you can download it from here. The file number 1 shows practice transcription test gotranscript. So here is the download tab. If you click on this, Good. Or you can also download it this way too. Either is fine, but just in case, if you go to the different platform, this extension will be useful for you. So sometimes you cannot find the download button here. So I'm going to go Otter AI. Otter AI is here. You go to Otter AI here. So I'm going to directly make a new account. Create account. You click create account. Click next. So the end up here, making account all done. We go to home, there's import. Click on import, upload it. It takes some time, so we wait a while. We have to wait. So you change it ready. So I go for this file. So it shows like that. So here's the important things. If you copy and paste, you will see what's wrong. So you cannot copy and paste 100%.
Accent, and please don't assume it's right.
So here you have to write speaker 1.
Don't assume it's Russian.
So you will see there is show result. I'm going to click. So look at that. If you see there are especially punctuation, if you fix punctuation error, it will be okay. I can see patterns here. It's a lot. It's a lot. So you have to do, you can see the feedbacks here. Even if it's tiny issue, you have to fix it. So I didn't realize it before I take test. So I'm going to fix it a little bit and see how it goes. So again, copy, paste. So I share how I practice the old test in gotranscript with Otter AI. Even if you read the guideline carefully or you understand the guideline perfectly, I strongly suggest you have to try and to practice the old test so that you can get the feedback, you can get used to it. This is very important, and otherwise you cannot pass the exam. It will be really difficult for you to pass the entrance test. That will help you a lot, so trust me. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button down below, and I will come back to you with more valuable information. So today's cover is all done. Have a great day and see ya. Oh, next time I will cover scribie or transcribeme, one of both. I haven't decided yet, so I will pick up, and so please looking forward to it. Thank you.